Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The DBA Bro. In this video, we will learn how to enable auto startup for PostgreSQL. First, connect to the Linux server using any of your preferred SSH client. Then connect to the Postgres user using sudo su-postgres. Now check the PostgreSQL service is enabled or not by using sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL or check with the Postgres version sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL-16. If you have the admin access for Postgres user, then it's great. If not, check our previous video, how to install PostgreSQL in Red Hat Linux. You will get the steps in there. Now check the active state. It's showing inactive, so the service is not enabled. Check the process by using ps-ef pipe grep postgres command. You will see the Postgres server is running. But if you restart the VM or the instance, the database should not be started automatically. For test that, we will restart the VM. Now connect as a root user. Then reboot the VM. Wait for some time and reconnect it. Connect to the Postgres user. Try to connect to the database using PSQL command. Check if the database is running or not. Check the Postgres process, ps-ef arg grep postgres. No, it's not running. Next step is to connect as a root user, sudo su-. Then go to the system directory, cd/etc/systemd/system. Create a new service file for Postgres. PostgreSQL.service. And add below this lines. You can pause and copy it. Copy all the three modules, but remember the exec start will be your current database path. You can edit and change it. Now save it. Check the Postgres process if it is running or not. If it's running, stop the DB. Check the status of the newly created Postgres service status by using systemctl status PostgreSQL. Now you will get the new results in which the active state is in inactive state. Now enable it by using systemctl enable PostgreSQL. There is a new symlink created for the service. Now start the service. It will start the database. Systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now check the status using systemctl status PostgreSQL. And check the active state, it's in active or in running state. If it's still in inactive state, please redo the process. Now check the Postgres process, ps-ef pipe grep postgres. The database is up and running. Now try to reboot and verify it. After reboot, connect to the Postgres user and check the Postgres process is running or not. ps-ef grep postgres. It's running. Now check the database using PSQL command. It's working. If there is any issue, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. See you in the next one.